So this tip applies to anybody that use any type of electric shaver. It can be a nose trimmer, body trimmer, hair trimmer, whatever you have. Normally when you buy your trimmers or your clippers, it comes with a little, I wish I had it so I can show you guys, but it comes with like a small bottle of oil. I don't recommend using that because oil, it doesn't seem very hygienic. So this is what I use that to me personally, it feels more hygienic, has a nice smell to it. But whatever you use, you don't have to use this. I'm not sponsored or anything by this. This is just what I personally use because this is what I notice the professional barbers use. So first, I like to turn on the clipper because if you notice, when we turn on the clipper, it moves the blades back and forth. So to get the spray kind of in between this guard at the top and the blade at the bottom, I like turning it on so I have a peace of mind that it's getting everywhere. So I just turn it on, keep it in a downward position. You're spraying off the blades, but at the same time, if you see any loose hairs, this is the time to kind of just knock those loose hairs out. And I'll do the same on the other side. Maybe not necessary, but I just do it for good measure. And if it gets everywhere, I just take a piece of tissue, wipe it down. I try to keep as much of the solution on the blade itself because that'll help with the disinfectant. And it's the same technique with whatever clipper you use. This is my nose trimmers here. So turn it on, put it downward, spray around, and that's it. With some trimmers like nose hair trimmers, body trimmers, you do have to, because a lot of them are waterproof. These particular nose hair trimmers, the body of it isn't waterproof, but this little adjustable piece here is waterproof. So with these, I do recommend rinsing it with water, and same deal with the body trimmers. So you can rinse it with water and then add the technique that I showed you. But all right, y'all, so if you're interested in helpful tips around house products like everyday tech and everything, anything I learned how to do, you guys will learn it with me, all right? So feel free to join the channel if you like. But for this video, that's all I got. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading parrot, and I'm out.